Hello, my lovelies. After you guys showed this particular headgear a whole lot of love, I decided to bring you guys another version of this easy to wear headgear that can replace your gilly, your regular gilly that you normally wear. This stunning headgear right here is a showstopper. If you wear this for any one of your occasions, say wedding party, your own wedding reception, or any occasion like that, be sure that you are going to turn heads. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily make this in less than an hour. You can achieve this particular headgear in like 30 minutes and you'll be good to go. So if you're interested in knowing all about this process, make sure you watch this video to the end. And yeah, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so as usual, I'll start off by showing you everything you need. So make sure you're watching everything I'm showing you. If this is your first time of stopping on my channel, hi there, my name is Funmibi. I make DIY tutorials, I make videos about hairstyling. I also do a bit of vlogging here on my channel. Basically, I just share things that I'm very passionate about on here on my channel. So if you're here to subscribe, please do well to hit the subscribe button before we get right into this tutorial. Also like the video at the end of the video if you enjoy. I'm sure you'll enjoy the tutorial, so be sure to hit the like button. Anyway, what I'm doing now is on my Asooke, I'm measuring 17.5 inches. After making this, I realized that the 17.5 was a bit too much. So if you measure like 16 inches, be sure that you'll be good with your regular headband. So what I'm cutting now is the piece of Asooke that I'll be wrapping my headband with. Feel free to use any type of headband you like, but I would advise you use one of these wide ones like the type I showed you at the beginning of the video. That one is going to create a lot of stability on your head and give you the security that you need when wearing a headband. So I'm dividing this my Asooke into two because I found that it's too wide for the amount of space that I want to wrap on my headband. Yeah, about 3 inches of Asooke will do. So usually regular Asooke comes in about 6 inches, so you need to divide that into two in order to wrap your headband. So all I'm doing here is I'm just wrapping my headband with my Asooke fabric. I already went over this in my previous video where I showed you guys how to make another type of Asooke headgear. I'm going to have that video linked somewhere on the screen just in case you want to get another look into another design of Asooke headgear that you can make for yourselves. So I sped through this whole process. I went about wrapping. I feel like people that have seen my previous video already know how this goes. So in case you've not seen that video, feel free to check that out. I already linked it on the screen earlier. All I'm doing here is still wrapping, and for this part I advise that you notch the Asooke in order to give you ease when folding over to wrap the remaining parts of your headband. I didn't notch my own Asooke, and honestly I forgot because like I said, I was in a hurry and I just wanted to make this headgear quickly before stepping out. And yeah, that was why I went about it like this. Feel free to notch your own Asooke when you are trying to wrap it around. So like I said earlier, take your time, gum your Asooke as carefully as possible in order to get a fantastic result. What I'm doing now is I'm just applying some of that my glue to this edge at the bottom just to fold that part over. Like I said, this process took me less than an hour. It was such a fast and very easy process. So once I'm done wrapping this, I'm going to start taking care of the inner part of my headband. I got this ribbon from Miniso here in Port Harcourt, but you can go to your regular sewing material shop to get a proper velvet ribbon just in case you don't want this type, because I found that this one was a bit too light. I would have preferred if I had a thicker type of ribbon, but still this still does the job, right? It still does the job. But yeah, just in case you're wondering, feel free to go to your regular tailor shop to get a proper ribbon. And this is what my headband looks like. Next up, I'm going to go about creating this stunning headgear that we are going to place on top of the headband that we already wrapped. And for this part, all you need to do is just create gathers. Use your hand to create gathers. I'm going to show you guys how I'll be going about it, so just pay attention to the way I'm folding my Asooke. And once you've created your gathers, you need your needle and thread just to sew that part in place. What this whole headgear entails is really just taking your time to create stunning gathers and then sewing it down so the gathers stays in place. I hope you guys understand everything I'm saying. So all I'm doing now is just sewing on that gathers, and it depends the amount of gathers you want to create on this your ashoke. It totally depends on you. It depends on how extravagant you want your ashoke headgear to come out. If you want it like really extravagant, or you want something minimalistic, you can reduce the size of the portions that you're folding and gathering, and then just create something minimalistic. But if you want something bigger like my own, feel free to make your own bigger and create a lot of gathers. For the purpose of this my own ashoke headgear, I made 4 different portions of gathers and then sewed them together. Feel free to make your own more or less. Like I said, it all depends on you. Rock it however you like and own your style. So yeah, this is me still creating my gathers and all of that. If you've enjoyed this video so far, if you've enjoyed the tutorial up until this point and you're yet to be subscribed to my channel, please help me. I'm on my way to 1,000 subscribers and we're so close, and I'm really looking forward to hitting 1,000 before the end of April 2021. So please help me by smashing the subscribe button, liking my videos when you watch them, sharing my channel with your friends, and dropping comments down in the comment section with your thoughts, suggestions on video ideas that you want me to create, and all that good stuff. Let's just connect with each other down in the comment section. Also, if you are not following me on my social media platforms, I also share some tutorials on there as well. I'm going to leave my handles on the screen. I'm very active on Instagram and TikTok in particular, so make sure you're connecting with me on there. So now that I'm done creating my gathers and everything is looking yum, it's time for us to attach the main headgear now. This part that I already scrunched up and formed ruffles with, it's time to attach it to the main headband that I'm going to be wearing on our hair. And what that's going to entail is still a little bit of needle work, right? You're still going to use your needle and thread to tack the ashoke headgear that you already scrunched up to your headband. This process is a bit tricky because the fabric has already clumped up and it's kind of thick, so make sure you're using a big needle in order to make the whole process easy for you. If you're using a small needle, it might not really be easy. And once I was done tacking my headgear to my headband, I went ahead to still use my glue gun to glue some parts down because I'm a very paranoid person. I don't want any wardrobe disaster whenever I wear my stuff out for any occasion. So I still went to give myself an extra security with my glue gun. I glued down the parts of the ashoke that were not lying flat properly. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Like I said, it took me less than an hour. It was very easy. And for those of you who don't have sewing machines at home, this particular headgear does not require sewing machine. All it needs is your needle and thread and your ashoke, as well as your glue gun. And if you don't have a glue gun, I got a couple of comments in my last tutorial. In case you don't have glue gun, not to worry, your regular uhu gun is going to give you a fantastic result. So don't feel pressured to go ahead to buy yourself a glue gun. But if you want to do exactly what I'm doing, you can feel free to go ahead to get yourself a glue gun and go about making your stunning headgears for yourself. So like I said earlier, this is it. This is what the ashoke headgear looks like. And I mean, you guys, just let me know what you think down in the comment section. What do you think? Do you think this is stunning? Do you like it? Will you be trying it? Let me know down in the comment section. Anyway, as usual, I'm going to go ahead to try this on myself, and this is me now. I went ahead to do my makeup, and this is what the headgear looks like on me. You guys, I mean, look at how stunning this looks. It's so beautiful, and I can't wait to see your recreations on different social media platforms. When you go ahead to make any of my tutorials or recreate any of my tutorials on here, please feel free to tag me in your posts. I'm going to leave my handles on here on the screen. I'm always happy to meet you guys on different social media platforms. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to this point still and you're yet to subscribe, this is the third one. Okay, the third one is the charm. Make sure after listening to my voice now, just smash the subscribe button. Smash it. It's not going to cost you anything. Hit the subscribe button if you're yet to subscribe to this channel. Also give the video a big fat thumbs up. That thumbs up helps YouTube spread my video to a wider audience. I want other people to see and learn from my videos, right? So make sure you smash the like button. Share my video with your friends, your sister, your aunties, your nieces, okay, people that love DIY tutorials. Share my videos with them. And yeah, this is me again, just flaunting. I mean, it is the headgear for me, it's the edges for me, it's everything for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all. Before you leave, make sure you watch something else. I have videos linked on my channel. And yeah, I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.